Yo, what's up guys, and welcome to today's backtesting session. This is part 8 of the series. I will backtest 1 or 2 weeks of data every single day, and I will try to post every session I backtest. Right now we're in March. We did January, February and March, and it's going pretty solid. We're up around 13% and we have a 68% win rate, which is very good. I would be very happy if we stay around there, but yeah, it could be that we still dropped around 60, 65. I don't know. That's what I do it for, to see what my overall win rate is the last years, so I can try to play with profams better, and yeah, I can calculate better how much I will risk, and I only do 1 week of data every single day, so I don't get like emotional while backtesting, because that's often times the case. When you backtest a couple of months a day, then you tend to just skip a lot of candles, even though you could find a trade there, and yeah, that's not what I want to do. So yeah, let's get into it, and I'm really hyped. I'm excited to backtest a little bit. Yeah, okay, that was... Oh shit, I forgot to backtest last Friday. So we will do that now, and after that we will do the week, because last week wasn't... I only found... Last week I found 1 break-even trade, and the week before that only 1 win and 3 break-evens, so that was kind of frustrating. Well, it happens. I mean, yeah, okay. We could be heading towards this unfilled gap on NQ. However, we already filled it on ES, so we'll have to be careful there. And we are also reacting from this gap. I still hope we can maybe get a resweep, maybe of the slow, maybe here, and then a continuation to the upside. Yeah. Okay, we also have this, I don't know what candle this is, but maybe Trump tweeted something. Oh no, Trump wasn't. That's 2022. Yeah, I love to see if we get some kind of... Okay, we're taking out bearish draws, so if we don't drag from there, I could see shorts up to down to maybe the slow. But I would love to see the imbalance get filled. That's kind of sad. Okay, yeah, we did not react from there, and we're about to create this 15-minute gap. Maybe we come into this and yeah, also sweep out these equal highs. Would be very good. 1030 manipulation higher. Yeah, looks good. If we get a retracement to the downside, inversion to the downside now, I'm willing to take a short there. Okay, we have a 4-minute. If we invest this 4-minute gap, I will take this short. However, we're way too late into the session now. Okay, let's see if the idea is correct, but it's just after 11 AM, so I won't take the trade. I do think we can just go down to the slow now. Yeah, perfect. My draws are very good, because I call them out like almost every day, but a lot of times I don't find an entry. But yeah, what happens. Still very bearish now. We did not tap into this gap, however we created this SMT, we reacted from there, and now we are obviously bearish. We could be bullish up to, or no, we could get a retracement to either this 15-minute high, this high, or this 4-hour gap, and from there I would love to see a short. Yeah. Or just a continuation model to the downside, but we'll just have to see what happens. I do think we get a resweep now. Okay, that's good. Reaction to the downside. I mean, we did get the we tapped into this hourly gap, got a 5-minute inversion to the downside. I'm kind of stupid because I skipped the next candle. I would just put my limit order here and go for a where should I put my take profit? Yeah, just for a 1 to 1.25, and I think that's a very good trade to take. Okay, we're probably going towards this high now. Okay, price action doesn't look as good again, and okay, that's a loss for today, but yeah, it's just price action gets really bad. Let me check if we have no news Monday on this day, because price action is really bad. 14th March. Okay, no, yeah, we don't have news, but we don't have a bank holiday, so let's just go to Tuesday and see if we can make back the loss. Same thing, we still look pretty bearish. However, we took out this low and we are seeing some reaction from that. However, I don't really like to take longs. I would love to see a resweep from this high and maybe an inversion to the downside on the 4-minute time frame. If we get this, okay, we sadly took out this low before inverting because this would have been my break-even point. Yeah. Still bearish. Hopefully we just find some kind of continuation model. Okay, it doesn't look as bearish now. We are just going higher and higher. We retraced into this 15-minute gap. And now we are reacting from this 5-minute gap. Maybe we could be drawing towards, I don't know, what would be the draw? This draw would be this 12-hour gap maybe? Yeah. I'm willing to try this long if we get a clean inversion. For that we need one more candle, and yeah, we got the 4-minute inversion now. I'm willing to take it for 1 to 1.5. Okay, break even right there. Okay, yeah, it's a good trade. Sometimes we just have to switch buys. That's the thing. So we make back the loss that we had, and let's go to Wednesday. If you can see, like, this whole entire price action isn't looking that clean, because we're just going up and down and up and down, and there's no clear, I mean, there is a clear direction where we are going, but it's really choppy. Okay, now we could be actually heading towards these relatively equal highs, which is also a one daily fair value gap, so we could be drawing towards there. I would love to see a retracement. Wow, we have a lot of liquidity down here. To be honest, I don't see anything where we could reverse from. We'll just have to follow the trend now. Yeah, okay, that's perfectly what I want to see. We do create this 15-minute gap now. Hopefully we find some kind of retracement into this gap and a inversion to the upside. This would be very ideal. Okay, we tapped into it now. Remove these. And if we get the inversion to the upside now, I am absolutely taking this trade. No doubt. Yeah, A plus scenario. We're just extremely bullish. We are reacting from this 15-minute gap, clean inversion with absolutely a lot of displacement and clear draw on liquidity and clear break even point. Yeah, okay, that's a pretty sure. I'm pretty sure that's a break even. Okay, it's not. Okay, that's lucky because we were so close to our break even. Yeah, I'll take this win. I'll take it up. I do think we could have held the trade until here, but to be honest, there's no need to risk it. Yeah. Okay, this could would have been another entry if we get a inversion to the upside now. But it's again, I already took a win, and yeah, what are we doing? We're just having a lot of liquidity now. We will probably go to or take profit here. Best price action, I guess. That's bad. Okay, let's go to Thursday. Very good week right now, and yeah, we did actually invest this daily gap finally. I think we could retrace into maybe this order block here, or maybe just a resweep of this low, and maybe from there we can take longs until however higher. Okay, it's a very clean setup, but I won't take it because my break even would be here. Okay, so I'm not willing to take this trade because yeah, it's a break even. I would just love to see maybe a 5-minute gap being created now, or a 15-minute, and a retracement into that. Hopefully we just leave this high and don't take it out. Okay, that's perfect. And we even have this 15-minute gap here, which we took out. For 5 minutes, okay, we do have this 5 minute. If we do inverse it, then I'm willing to take a trade. Okay, we got a resweep inside of this 15-minute gap at 10:30 open, and if we get a inversion to the upside now, okay, we are not bullish now. let's go to Friday. Okay. I do think we are bullish now, heading towards this high, which is inside of a fair value gap. And I do think we could come down here into this daily, also daily buy side imbalance. But yeah, we just have to see. We have a lot of liquidity down here. Would be very clean if we get a sweep of those. Is there a gap? Okay, they're also inside of a 4-hour gap. So if we get a clean sweep of those, then okay, we do look very bullish now. I don't think we will sweep out this low this session because we're just way too premium, and we're just going straight up without giving me any entries. Maybe a tap into a 15-minute gap, but it's just, we're so high in premium. To be honest, I don't think we will go up there today, so I won't take a trade in this session. We can see if it forms, if it plays out, but I do just believe we're just straight going down now. Yeah, let's skip to, okay, it's already Friday. I may just do another session because it's just really fun right now. I don't know. Yeah, we can do another week. We are currently still at a 68% win rate. Still very good. Average RR is around, where is it? 1.4 and up 15%. Very good stats until now. I will just do another week because why not? Friday. Okay, let's go to Monday. Let me drink something. Okay. It still looks very bullish. That's what I really love to see. We did invest this daily gap. Just more and more confirmation for longs. And yeah, ideal scenario would be a resweep of these lows. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Other than that, just a continuation model to the upside. If we just, yeah, as we are doing right now, just creating fair value gaps which we could react from. Okay, we did take out this high. Okay, we took it out. Not taking the first inversion I see now, but if we get a clean inversion to the upside now, then I will take it. Okay, what is happening? We traded into this 4-hour gap. However, on the S we didn't take out anything. And this just looks like a no trade day again, to be honest. Maybe if we get a retracement now, but it's way too late again. Would have taken a trade if we got the retracement into this gap. And yeah, maybe longs from there, but nothing happens in this session. There's no, like, if I look at it now, there's no entry I would have taken. I think that's fine especially for a Monday, because at the end we can see on what days I have the lowest and highest win rate, and I think on Mondays I do have a lower one than on Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, still looking very bullish. Would love to see a retracement of these lows. absolutely beautiful. And if we get a long from there, then yeah, I will take it. Okay, we just went to take profit immediately without giving me any entry. I do think it's the same as yesterday. We are not reacting from there, we're just going down now. It's the same thing as yesterday, right? Okay. We actually did tap into this little 5-minute gap down there, tapping into this order block as well. And maybe inversing. It's 4-minute? Yeah, okay, we did get the 4-minute inversion. I will have to see if we have any news. 22nd. No, we don't have any news, so I will take this trade. Because we're just obviously bullish. I'm going for a, what's the draw? The draw is clearly just higher. But I don't see anything where I should put my take profit. Maybe here, maybe here. Yeah, I'll just go for a 1 to. I don't even need this big of a trade. I'll just go for a 1 to 1.5. Okay, very good displacement, extremely good displacement, and yeah, take profit right there. Perfect, very good start, and I think that's a no-brainer. I think I would take this trade always again. Okay, Wednesday, and we are still bullish on the higher time frame. However, we do look pretty bearish on the lower time frame right now. We could be heading towards this 4-hour gap. Yeah, but I don't really like to see shorts now. So we could find a retracement down to this gap, but not any further. Okay, come on, get it. Okay, you did get the sweep. Maybe an inversion to the upside now. I don't know if I would take one. Only if, to be honest, only if we invest the 1-minute gap. Okay. Now I will take this long. My break even is very early again because I really wanted to wait for the 1-minute close. But the reaction from this gap is very good. Could have taken the trade here after inversing this 2-minute gap here, but yeah, I'd rather wait for the 1 minute. Okay, and that's I'm stopped out there. Okay, yeah, it was pretty much a bad stop loss placement. If I would have taken the 2 minute and put my stop loss below this low, then this would be a take profit. But yeah, I didn't. We get some really good reaction from the 4-hour gap now, so we could be still going higher. Hopefully we do react from this 5-minute gap here, get the 2-minute inversion to the upside. And yeah, I'm still bullish, so I will take this trade as well. Okay, we are break even there. I don't know if I told you, I entered based on because of this 2-minute inversion here. Okay, that's a break even. Maybe we get a retracement into this 15-minute gap here and a inversion to the upside from there. This would be ideal. Yeah, okay. Do we get some kind of continuation now? Okay, it's very late into the session, but I do think this is worth risking. My break even would be here, and yeah, I will absolutely take this trade. Just shoot to take profit up. Okay. Okay, that's I think 2 break evens, or no, 1 loss and 1 break even. That's unfortunate, but yeah, happens. Let's go to Thursday. And hopefully we can find another win. Okay, the price action looks really bad. Is it bank holiday? No. Okay, I am personally still bullish based on what the higher time frame is telling me, but we could obviously see some longs in this price action. But I would love to see a retracement into this internal low and maybe a inversion to the upside from there. Okay, we took it out. Maybe we react from there. This is a very strong reaction. Okay, we get the resweep again, maybe? Yeah, okay. Maybe if we get a... Okay, my dad was in my room. And I do see a long here, because we did get the resweep again, and maybe this 3-minute inversion. Okay, no, I'm not taking this trade. Very bad price action. Oh, I missed something. Okay, we took out this low, which is very clean, and we did get the 5-minute inversion to the upside now. Extremely good. I do expect instant continuation to this high there, so let's see. Yeah, so we got a resweep of this low, which is inside of this hourly fair value gap. Then we get the 5-minute inversion with a lot of displacement. Yeah. Sweeping this low at 10:30, perfect. Okay, yeah. Perfect take profit. Yeah, and that's a very good trade. Let's go to Friday. Friday is okay, almost the last day of the month where we can trade. Still clear bias. High time frame is bullish. And maybe a resweep of this low, and from there a inversion to the upside. Yeah, would be very beautiful if we get something like that. Okay, what is happening? Okay, we could, yeah, I mean, we did leave almost equal lows, and if we get the get the 3-minute inversion to downside, there's no reason to not take it for a 1-to-1. Yeah, I will take it straight because our draw is this low, and we did get the retracement to a 5-minute and a 3-minute inversion. So okay, that's unfortunate. So we're just leaving equal lows, unfortunately. Okay. Yeah. That's unfortunate. Okay. Let's see the analytics. Yeah, our win rate dropped to 65% because of the last trade. Other than that, we're still up 5% in March, and yeah, we took 3 losses, 4 wins, which is still solid, because I have a pretty solid risk to reward ratio. I'm happy with every trade, and yeah, I wanted to see what days my win rate is the lowest. Yes, Monday. Okay, yeah, interesting, as I thought. So I just have to be careful on Monday because I have a negative win rate there. I am excited to see on how these stats are at the end of this series. So yeah, 65% win rate. I hope I can stay there. This is where I see myself, and up 16% in not even three months. 6% January, 5% February, 5% March. This is absolutely valid. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys tomorrow.